Alright, what's up guys? This is Taylor. We got through the Fed today, and here's what I'm going to do tomorrow. We have a 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute squeeze on the S&Ps, and I'm going to sit back and let that lead the way. Should the 1 hour squeeze break short, I think there's room for a flush down towards 5,600, potentially down towards 5,575. Which in the grand scheme of things, after a good short squeeze, I don't think quite the end of the world. Trap the shorts, squeeze the shorts, and a pullback to a rising 50 SMA. Yeah, not the worst thing. But if anything in the short term here, squeeze break short could be another 30, 40 bucks lower. Back above the 21 EMA, then I want to favor a bit more of a push higher. Squeeze fires to the upside, then I think your first target here is going to be that 5,700. And beyond that, I think is where things get really interesting. Tomorrow, of course, neither could happen. It could be a total chop fest. But I think as far as our next decent directional move, should come from that 1 hour squeeze there. And then on the Qs, I think pretty similar. 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute squeeze for tomorrow. In the event things are a little bit softer, I'd be careful with the short around 468-ish. Hourly 50, hourly 200, and your daily 21 EMA. Now below that, I think you get a green light for a short. If things come in a little bit more, it is the first spot I would look for a bounce. Not to say we get one, but again, they trap the shorts, they squeeze them out. The first back test of your hourly 50 and your hourly 200, if the bulls are going to fight, should be a good spot for a fight. Vice versa, they prop it back above the hourly 21, squeeze fires to the upside. First target would be the 480 call wall. Beyond that, you have a 2 hour squeeze, a 2-day squeeze, and a weekly squeeze setting up. Between now and Friday, I think you keep a little more of the focus on that 1 hour down to the 15 minute. Now, in the event they take all the compression and boom, they fire all that to the upside. Couple names I do like here. One would be Meta. And I don't have any Meta yet, but I think a really clean daily squeeze. We've got the white dot on the Big 3 indicator, so it's about as good as it gets. And then bigger picture, I think a lot of potential here in the weekly squeeze. The one thing I'm waiting for, positive MACD cross. Momentum back above zero, in a squeeze with good trend and good structure. I think a recipe for a breakout and potentially a push towards 600 bucks. S&Ps and QQQ just gets creamed for tomorrow. Then I think you got to curb the idea in the short term. But I do like Meta, and then it did pull back a bit here today. But I think as far as good-looking daily squeezes, Netflix has one of the better ones out there. Below 680-ish, you probably can the idea. Until they do that, good structure, good squeeze, buy signal, perfect score at 12. If they can finally get the job done and get it through the call wall here at 700, I think pretty quickly they're taking it towards 725, 735. Got to get it through that call wall first. So we've got a debit spread that expires next week on that one. And then I would like to say nice things about Tesla, but it's making it a little tough here at that 230 call wall. It has a lot of squeezes. 2-day time frame, the daily time frame, 4 hour, 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute. I think as far as a long, it's all kind of for nothing until they finally get it through that 230. And not on an intraday basis, but on a closing basis. We're watching the 4 hour squeeze here, and we've got a 225 put credit spread for next week through 230 on a close. I think we're in good shape for a move towards 240, maybe a bit higher. Under that call wall, it's a glorified chop fest. Got some Tesla, got some Netflix. I would like some Meta. As always, going to put the indexes first. And the theme for tomorrow will be, what can you do here with a 1 hour squeeze? If they fire long, I think you're watching Meta. I think you're watching Netflix. Google's getting a little interesting. Maybe some Tesla above 230. If they break short, I don't think any of those work to the upside, and you might go looking for a few puts. But all right, y'all, have a great night. Watch your 1 hour squeezes, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Adios.
What's up, traders? This is Taylor from Simpler Trading. I wanted to thank you for watching our video, and if you liked the video, go on ahead and comment down below, hit that like button, and make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell icon to get a notification anytime we upload our next video. And of course, if you want to watch us trade live in real time with our own money, check us out at simplertrading.com. Until then, trade safe, and I'll catch you in the next video.